Well, I was going to feed myself next week, but yo guys, it's Sam, and pre-orders for the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and Apple Watch Series 4 are all live now. So if you're watching this at the time I posted it on YouTube, good luck because it's been a couple of hours. I was lucky enough to get launch day shipping dates for both the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Max, and the Apple Watch Series 4. And I want to tell you which models I bought, what color, what configuration, and why. So the first iPhone that I added to my cart this year was the regularly sized iPhone XS, the 5.8-inch OLED model, because I love the original iPhone X. It is my favorite iPhone to date without question, and of course, a new version's only going to be better with an improved camera, with a faster processor, and of course, I got it in the new gold color option. Now, where I had some choice was with storage. Last year, I jumped from 64 to the 256 gigabyte iPhone X, and honestly, I thought I'd use at least half of it. I checked before recording this video. Guess how much data I have on my phone? Only about 40 gigabytes. So rather than spending the extra money to go up to 256 or even 512 this year, by the way, are any of you getting the 512 gigabyte iPhone XS or XS Max? I don't know what I would put on an iPhone with that much storage. If you bought the iPhone XS with 512 gigabytes, let me know down below what you'd put on that, because I can't think of anything in my life, even my heavy like 4K video files, that would fill up 512 gigabytes on an iPhone. So this year, I decided to go with 64 gigabytes, and I did the exact same thing on the iPhone XS Max as well. And actually, this is my first plus-sized iPhone. I've never owned a plus iPhone to date, even though this is called the iPhone XS Max. It's technically the iPhone XS Plus. So I'm excited to see this 6.5-inch OLED panel, hold it in my hand, and I'm most excited about the fact that it's about the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus. So the actual size is going to be about the same, but the screen obviously goes edge to edge now, and I'm so excited to check that out. And again, I went with gold here. I like the new gold color on the iPhone XS, also probably because that's what leaked first. That's what Apple's been heavily marketing. They want everybody to get excited about this new color, and honestly, it's working. I'm pretty excited about gold. I love the way gold looked on the iPhone 8 from last year. I still have that phone today, and I want to see it on the iPhone X. So gold on both the iPhone XS and XS Max. And for capacity here, again, I don't need that much storage. I don't know many people who use a ton of storage. Like 64 as a base model is great. Just think like 2 or 3 years ago, the base storage was still 16 gigabytes. That was too low. Everybody needs more than that. But 64 for $1,000, while it isn't amazing, it's pretty good, and it's a lot better than where we were a couple years back. All right, so that's my iPhone pre-order. I also was lucky enough to get an Apple Watch as well, also shipping on Friday, September 21st, when all of these are officially releasing. And honestly, I have no variety in which Apple Watch I chose here. I chose the exact same watch for the Series 0 in 2015, the Series 2 in 2016, the Series 3 in 2017. You can probably guess it. It's been on my wrist in pretty much every video I've made over the past 2 or 3 years now. The space gray Apple Watch with a black sport band. I never get too creative. I think black goes well with pretty much everything. It looks nice, it looks premium, and I'm a big fan of the way it looks every year. So I went with the exact same model, but this year, not 42 millimeters. Apple made the screen edge to edge, so I went all the way up another 2 millimeters to the 44 millimeter model. But what's great here is that all of my existing bands work, so I don't have to go out and buy new ones. And after that, it was also pretty easy for me to pick GPS or GPS plus cellular. I went with the GPS plus cellular model that can connect to your cellular network because I made the jump with the Series 3, and nothing is cooler than being able to walk out of the house and be able to receive phone calls, send text, receive notifications, all on your wrist, completely independent from your iPhone. I love that functionality so much. I'm willing to pay for it. I like the convenience there. So for me, it's worth it. I went with that model, and it does bump the price up a little bit. I've never spent this much on Apple products at one time in September before, but I want to make the best content for all of you guys. Thank you, of course, for supporting me. Thank you for sponsors supporting me. That allows me to buy this stuff. Like Apple doesn't send this to me yet, so this is coming out of my pocket, but I think that allows me to give you guys some really great first impressions. And also, again, like, thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me do this job, because it is so fun and so rewarding. All right, for now, that's all I've got for for you. If you're getting one of these new products, let me know down below in the comment section which one you are getting and why. Drop a like if you're mad excited, and of course subscribe for more on the iPhone XS, XS Max, and Apple Watch Series 4 going forward. It's going to be a crazy launch day on Friday, September 21st, just 7 days away now. For now, I've been Sam. I hope you're doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.